Welcome to the weekly stock market update. I remain bullish. We are looking at the SPY S&P 500 ETF. Price is still bullish, and the two main indicators that I use is measuring volume, accumulation distribution line, still going higher. Managed to break the previous high, which is very healthy. And then this advanced decline line tracks the underlying 500 stock, also breaking higher, meaning healthy. So people are buying this 500 stock in S&P 500. I like to see a shallow pullback, but remain above the gap would be nice. So you can see I have a little line area 447, so just come back around this area here, then I'll look for good price action, continue to buy on S&P 500. Okay, so let's get into the trading chart to have a look what sort of exactly the price that I'm going to trade. So you're looking at our recommended trading broker IG. I like that. It's got a lot of function on that. The circle area is the area that I like to see, you know, just a little bit, 1 or 2 days pull back around this area. 4,500, let the 20 EMA, the blue line, to catch up as a support. Then I look to be a buyer on S&P 500. So look for good price action. I always drop down to an hourly or under in the open just to look for like a pattern, something like a double bottom, something like this. Okay, exhaustive selling and then slowly come back with a buyer. Then yeah, something like this or around this sort of area, like this kind of pattern, head and shoulder, this type of pattern. So marked at my area at 4,500. So already set alert. You can very simply go to the price alert area, 4,500, buy price, boom. When it come back, it will alert you from IG. Similar things on Nasdaq. I'm still bullish on the market conditions, so a little bit of pullback to around the 15,700, 800 area, something like, you know, Monday, Tuesday maybe, or Wednesday I'm gearing up to buy. So very shallow pullback. I'm looking to be a buyer on the Nasdaq or the S&P 500. Interestingly, Hong Kong is trying to make a base, the Hang Seng, so is on the trend line resistant area. Very interesting. You know, we know that we have been in a downtrend, but you can see the momentum is now on the, you know, slowing down the selling momentum. You're seeing more buyer trying to come back. In fact, we have a very weak daily uptrend, higher lows in this area. So break above the 18,000, we could see it test back around the 20,000 area, or you know, or maybe a little bit higher. So healthy, however, it's too weak for me to buy because it's just not my type of thing. I like to buy a strong condition. So I am very keen to buy one of the particular stock. It's called BYD. They are a EV battery company first, but now is already building their electric car and selling very, very well. So that's the fundamental. But as you know, I am a technical trader, so I still like to, you know, use technical chart to sell. As you can see, I'm looking at the weekly chart. The accumulation distribution still very much on the buy side. Weekly is still holding up very well, so I'm happy with that. And also now we're testing, we do see like a very big, you know, selling bar here, but it's not the first time we see that. Last time we see it was here, followed by a bullish bar and then bounce to the top channel. Similar things happen in around October time, but this time round couldn't bounce up, but you know, fail here. And now we're testing this area again. I'm happy going to try that, you know. So what I will do is now I will drop down to a 4 hour So BYD dropped down to 4 hours. What I'm ultimately looking for is a 4-hour double bottom or a change of trend. Let me explain to you what something here. Range. So you drop down to half an hour, you see a double bottom. Cleaner double bottom on 4 hour right here. Okay. So something like that. Like a W. A break will be my entry stop loss, and then target around 290 on the top channel area. That's my plan on that. So I'm keeping a close eye on BYD, trading this rather than investing on that because yeah, I think it's I don't want to hold on to it too long, and I do think we'll probably test the 290 depending on Hang Seng. Okay, so that's all for me for the stock market plan. If you do have any question, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.